Okay, sir. Hi. I'm Dinian here. I'm here to present my FYP1 project on the title of Voice Recognition System using RFID card on graduation in MIU. So my project is based on a voice recognition system using RFID card. So Manipal Institute Convocation Day, a manual announcement is made by a single individual to call out the names of MIU students. This method is way too far in the traditional and inconvenience to utilize. It would be fantastic if a voice recognition RFID card were introduced to replace this method. A speech recognition RFID card reader project with Arduino will be implemented in this project. The proposed method in the study is a very modernized method which is representative and even does not require a pronouncer to pronounce the participants' details. The students just need to scan the card via their individual RFID card on the reader and it will be announced automatically. These systems gives many advantages and also such as cost savings and many more. So the problem statement of this traditional method, which is each student will consume more time in getting proper order of the student's line. It could cause many misunderstandings between two parties. The traditional method could cause high manpower, also requires more manpower to the graduation to run smoothly. The research objective is to implement a voice recognition system using RFID via Arduino. The second one is to verify the model using a card reader technology, to evaluate the model in a small function to ensure it runs without any error. So the pros and cons of this project is the pros. Let's see the pros first. The pros is we could save time consumption of the convocation event, saving the amount of costing and hiring more manpower for the convocation. Implementing a modernized convocation event, which most of the university does not use this kind of technology now. So the cons is a wrongly program is possible to happen in this event, and so shortage of power supply could slow down the process. So this is my research flowchart. As we can see how the research flowchart goes by. First, we will go each two component will go on a hardware development side and also a software development side. Later on, the hardware development will go to an next stage, which is identification of the key components. Next will be the prototype assembly, and next will be the hardware testing. Let's go to the software part. The software will go through in software development, program flowchart, coding, and also the program testing. Also will end up on pilot testing, which will be the last testing before it goes to a real-time testing. So this is the workflow chart where how the Arduino and also the other modules work together. First, a breadboard will be connected to an Arduino. Then we'll need a voice input, which will be saved in SD card, and also it will be saved in the MP3 module. Later, the MP3 module frequency will be copied into an RFID card, whereby a student should take the RFID card and tap on a card reader. Once they type on a card reader, the voice will be output, and also it will be heard out by a speakerphone. So why do we use Arduino? Arduino is easy to use and programmable board. It's an open source project. Software and hardware is extremely accessible and also very flexible to customize and intended. It's easy to use, connect to laptop via USB and communicate using via serial protocol. Runs and also standalone mode and interface connect to a PC and also a managed computer. It's flexible and also offers a variety of digital analog input, SPI and serial interface and digital PWM output. Arduino is rapidly and prototype platform composed by Arduino board and the Arduino IDE. So Arduino has its own IDE, which we could programmable in most of the language, easy use language for us. So these are the key components list. First, we should need Arduino a full set with the jumper case and all this. Next is the RFID card reader, jet, the RFID, then SD card. We should have the MP3 module and also a speakerphone. So each of the component has its own costing. I have segregated over here. The total cost of this project will be around 458 ringgit and 33 cents. This is the total cost of this to build this project. So the conclusion is the rapid use of this voice recognition with RFID card in collaborate with the Arduino board will make the system a well-recognized system in the globally educational field. It will be a very successful system in the field and a lot of university staffs will benefit out of this system. The university organization will be ended up saving a lot of money from introducing this modernized graduation system. Our hardworking MIU staff can take good time in spending their time in organizing other duties of this event. So these are the main reasons why we should implement this modernized into our convocation event in MIU. Since it's also a pandemic issue now, we should lessen the touch contact between one another and also a social distance. By implementing this, we also will get a successful recovery and also stop the process of spreading of this virus. That's all. Thank you.